Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today's video will be about Udemy and how to make money from it. So Udemy is an online learning platform that allows instructors to create and sell courses on a variety of topics. If you are interested in making money with Udemy, there are several ways to do it, and I will give you 10 ways to make money and increase income with Udemy. So the first way, after creating the account of course and log into it, is choose a profitable topic. One of the most important things to consider when creating a course on Udemy is the topic. Look for a popular topic that people are interested in and willing to pay for it. The second way is create high quality course. Make sure your course is well organized, easy to follow, and offer valuable information. It should be engaging and interactive, with plenty of visual aids and real world examples. Next, we have promote your course. Use social media marketing, email marketing, and other channels to promote your course and reach potential students. So the next way is build your reputation. Get positive reviews from students by providing excellent customer service and engaging with your students. The fifth way is to offer discounts. Offer discounts on your course to attract more students. Like, let's see an example. Nope, none of them are making any discounts here. And that's why they aren't getting any students. So the sixth way is create sales funnel. Creating a sales funnel to generate leads and convert them into paying customers. Seventh way is to leverage affiliate marketing. Use affiliate marketing to promote your course and earn commission from other people's sales. And eighth way is to create course bundle. Create a bundle of related courses to increase your earning and offer more valuable to your students. We have the ninth way is offer coaching or consulting services. Offer coaching or consulting services to students who want additional help beyond the course material. And the last way is continuously improve your course. Keep updating and improving your course to make it even more valuable and appealing to potential students. So this website has a friendly interface. You can search here for something you want to learn. Here you can try the business plan. You can be a teacher on Udemy. Like I said, those ways were for teachers. How to make money for using Udemy by teaching. So many reasons to start. Teach your way. Publish the course you want. Inspire learners. Get reward and money. How to begin. Plan your curriculum. Here you start with your passion and knowledge, then choose a promised topic to help on the marketplace tools, then record your video and you will get help, then launch your course, set the price and everything will be good. You won't have to do it alone. Our instruction support team is here to answer your questions, review your test video, while our teaching center gives you plenty of resources to help through processing. Plus, get the support of experienced instructors on Udemy online community, so you can get started and become an instructor today. So overall, making money with Udemy requires creating high quality course on a popular topic, promoting it effectively, and continuously improving it. By following these 10 steps, you can increase your earning and build a successful business on Udemy. So here to share your knowledge and create your teacher account. What kind of teaching you have done before? In person, informal, in person, professionally, online, and others. Let's say formal, like a teacher in class. How much of a video pro you are? Let's say you are a beginner. Do you have an audience to share course with? Not at the moment. I have a small following. If you have a class or something, and continue. Then Udemy will prepare to you how you will manage to join them. Jump into course creation. Create your course, create an engaging course, get started with the video, send it to Udemy and they will rate it, and then you join the team and you start by being a teacher. Next, we have here the settings, the profile, Udemy profile. You need first name, the website, the last name, the Twitter account, the headlines, the Facebook account, the biography, the LinkedIn account, the language, and the YouTube account. So they will be following you on Facebook, Twitter. Anything you do, you will have to answer it. Just kidding. Here you need your image so people can see who are they teaching. Here we have the privacy settings. Here we have tools, test videos, marketplace insight, bulk coupon creation. We have performance as a student. Loading your data goes no students yet. Communicating, no questions yet. And here to view, to start your creation. Here we have, you can switch to student account anytime and learn and teach in the same time. And the student settings are not that various. They are similar, and yes, they are the same. And here we have the communications, performance. I think those are working, those settings are for both students and teachers, I guess. And I think that's it for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you on another video.